Welcome to day 6 of our 7-day organization challenge. Today, we're tackling clutter with a fun and effective strategy, the One Box Challenge. The One Box Challenge is simple: grab a box, and your goal is to fill it with items you no longer need. It's a quick, easy way to declutter without feeling overwhelmed. Step 1: choose your box. Pick a box that's a reasonable size, not too big, not too small. This will keep the task manageable and focused. Step 2: start decluttering. Go room by room, or focus on one specific area. Be honest with yourself. If you haven't used it in a while or it doesn't bring you joy, it goes in the box. Step 3: decide what to do with the items in your box. Separate them into 3 categories: donate, recycle, or toss. The key is to ensure these items leave your home, not just get shuffled around. And there you have it, an organized space in a box full of items ready to be passed on or responsibly discarded. Remember, decluttering doesn't have to be overwhelming. The One Box Challenge makes it simple and manageable, one box at a time. Get ready for tomorrow's challenge. Don't forget to share your progress with us using #7dayorganizeechallenge. We're excited to see how much you can declutter with just one box.